Welcome to CAD and Sorcery, fellow designers. Recently, I came across a very strange issue while trying to install SOLIDWORKS, and I wanted to share the solution with you. When I launched the installation on a computer, the SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager opened completely blank. The window was empty, no information was displayed, and there was no way to continue with the installation. This issue can occur when some installation files are blocked by Windows, especially when they have been transferred from another computer. In this video, I will show you how I fixed this problem. First, let's close the Installation Manager window. Then, inside Windows Explorer, navigate to the folder where the SOLIDWORKS installation files are located. From there, open the following folders: SLDIM, then Lang, English, and finally the HTML folder. Inside this folder, locate the file called frameset.html. Right-click on the file and select Properties. Under the General tab, you may notice a security section indicating that the file came from another computer and may be blocked by Windows. Next to this message, there is an Unblock checkbox. By enabling this checkbox and clicking Apply, the security message and Unblock option disappear. After that, click OK to close the Properties window. Now, if you go back to the setup.exe file and launch the SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager again, you can see that everything works normally. And that's how you can fix the blank SOLIDWORKS Installation Manager issue. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more SOLIDWORKS content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.